Alright, let's do it. Go Mac, you take the lead. Sinking.
Alright.
Good.
It's a fail.
It's okay. We still went to church. We still got blessed. Alright, good morning everyone. We got Mr. George on the Vespa today. The original Italian stallion.
Italian. What's up, boys? Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
So where do we go again?
We're gonna go to that Italian sandwich place.
Italian sandwich place.
Like supposedly it's legit, but you're the one who's gonna judge it. Yeah.
One way to find out.
One way to find out. Yeah. I want to see that bowl of cheese making.
You just have to remember that Bomac is riding a 150.
You're leading, so behave. And he blows by me. Oh my God! Look at that.
There you go. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. 150. 150 what?
150 what? I got nitro shot.
All that aftermarket is paying off right now.
So wala tayong choice, guys, kundi mag-English because George, say hi. Here.
Yeah, yellow. Come on, gun it.
Gun it.
Don't gun it too much because you got another red light. Save that gas.
On a scooter,
What?
save gas.
What's the range? Do you get 100 miles out of a tank?
120.
Oh shit!
And
Now it's a party.
And it's less than 2 gallons. Is that it?
So Justin Bieber.
Oh, baby, hey.
George, you look good in that, George.
Fast as fuck, boy.
We'll find out at the end of the day who's gonna have a nosebleed. It's either me or Big Mac.
Probably me. Most likely me.
Too much English, man. We can't handle it.
Whoa.
Termignoni.
So it's not Termignoni. No, not like that.
That's not Family Guy, bro.
No, you gotta use this hand. You gotta use the left hand. Termignoni. Mamma mia.
Oh my, hey. I fucking culo, huh?
I don't know if that's the Italian in you or that's the New Yorker in you. It might be the New Yorker in you, George. And it's crazy that even I can tell. What is this? 30-minute parking only.
Who's gonna count?
You got it.
This ride was sponsored by
Cisco.
Thanks, Adriana.
Thanks, Adriana.
Shit.
You can make it even, George. Bro, come on, man.
We're supposed to be the one that, we suck at parking, Asians suck at
Doesn't work. Come on.
Like this? Is this good?
No?
No. Go like this.
Go like this where?
Like this? More angle. See my angle?
I don't see shit.
More that way. There you go, that way. There you go. Straight.
You're a pain in the ass, Oh my God. I suck at parking. That's horrible.
Yeah, no shit. We only went here for the ice cream last time.
Fly me to outer space. That's where I'll see your face and have you
Yo, good morning. It's me, Bomac TV, Jack, and George. We're all on the Vespas today, and yeah, just hang out with us and we'll go from there. Hopefully it's gonna be a good day. We just have to speak more English today because George is with us, so that's that. Alright guys. Cappuccino.
A medium?
What is this one?
Cafe,
Latte?
caramel latte.
Caramello, bro.
Minke buono.
Urth Cafe logo or something?
I guess so.
We're doing more tambay than riding today. Legit Italian sub place daw yung kakainan namin. May kasama kaming Italiano. We'll see kung legit nga. Yes sir! Buon appetito? So you just added O? Oh yeah. Buon appetito! Testing! Meron ka naramdaman?
Sa meat.
Sa meat.
Pagkati ko 30, 35. Tapos bakon. Meron.
Tsaka simisigaw lang.
Masigaw. Oo, yeah. Masigaw. Naka-variator na sila. Naka-variator. Aso. Ay, cheap eh.
Yeah, should be good.
What happened, man?
This is what happens if you buy a Vespa. You spend so much money, you break your card. Then,
That's it. No more spending.
my card said,
I'm done.
that's it, I'm done.
Ready?
Gasolina muna.
Gas muna tayo, tapos red rock tayo ulit. Kasama natin si Georgie.
Thank you for coffee and thank you for brunch, guys.
Yes, sir.
I got
Yes, sir.
I got the next one.
You got the red rock?
Oh shit. Well, technically I'm free. I'm only paying for you guys. George, is your thing on?
My thing? In the recording thing? How can I tell?
If it's play,
Is the light blinking?
I feel a little tingle, but I don't know.
It keeps blinking as yet.
where does it tingle you, George?
You know where?
Yeah, well.
It's between that and the butthole. So.
There you go. Damn, man, that looks good on you. Woo!
Oh, you guys are terrible.
No. What up, G? You having fun? You're sleepy yet?
Nah, I'm good. I'm awake now.
Wala pang tulog.
Because Vespa makes you awake.
Gasoline, boys. Apaw Serie, part. I don't know what part.
I don't know. Whoopers. Oh, 5 bars. 5. Nice. Wonder if my card's still gonna work.
Here?
You need gas? Really?
It's 2 bars. I want to fill it up. Is this it, right?
Yeah.
Yes, don't worry about it.
Oh, George, be careful because it overflows, okay? If this doesn't overflow, this bike is racist.
You think?
It only likes Italian because it's an Italian bike.
Not really.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around now, I just wanna have fun, turn around now, I just wanna turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna now and turn around now.
How are you, sir?
Take it easy.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Damn, the 150 feels nice here.
Yeah, you can flat out everywhere. Access flat out.
Yes, sir. Alright, we stop here. I'll give you guys some room. Booyah.
You want to set up camera or what? On mine or?
Both. All the cameras I'm gonna turn on.
Here you go, Doc.
Very nice ride. Thank you guys.
Oh, for sure. You're welcome. Let me know when you wanna go out again. So I can play with the 360. The last thing. Oh, my that's crazy. Hella grip, boys. There you go.
There you go.
That's super nice. Boy. Oh, you tapped the brakes, jackass.
It's okay. I'm okay with it.
Oh, you tapped the brake, you jackass! Woo, shit, son, that was dope. All right, we're here. Yes, sir. Thank you, guys.
It's the best I can do given the circumstances.
All right, back at it again. Nandito na naman kami sa Red Rock. Thank you.
Well, it's not the power, so it's not how big it is, it's how you use it. What's the... We're still talking scooters, or...
How you use what?
Sounds.
This time we took George with us. He used the 300 GTV. He's having fun, that's the best part of it, right? And yeah, it's a perfect day to be here. It's nice. Perfect weather, 72. Medyo marami lang traffic. There's a lot of people here today. It's nice that they let us in actually without a reservation, pero it's good. We're having fun. We're riding the Vespas. It's a good day.
Good job.
Alright, man. Good job, good job, good job. Thank you, thank you. Good job, good job.
Thank you.
Georgino, gracias.
Thank you.
So this is where we're gonna be ending the vlog for today. Midweek ride namin, Wednesday. We went to the church and then we ate brunch and then now we took the ride here at Red Rock again. So sana hindi kayo magsawa sa kakapanood ng aming mga video. I just want to thank all the new subscribers and yung mga nagla-likes, comment and share. Maraming salamat po for doing that. We appreciate it and hopefully we see you again soon on the next episode. Until the next one, guys. Thank you. God bless and be a blessing to one another.